Figment's up there.
Yeah.
Figment.
Yeah.
Alright guys, out to your left.
Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by. Hands for security clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelia Jabon's private office.
Turn, let me right this way. Over to browse around, stay on the graded floor. Coming in. No need to stay in the line anymore. Go ahead and fill in all the available space.
One step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's view this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Hey, Rocket, aren't you forgetting something?
Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Best of luck on your mission, parents.
Oh, dude.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated, with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad,
Una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y con el cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigilen a sus niños terranos. Gracias. Raise your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Seatbelts go from your left to your right. Nothing between you and that seatbelt. And on the floor.
My dear friends, this is the moment you've been waiting for.
Rocket, unplug you and start things right! Now show me those hands, people! Clearance, let's roll!
Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit the gantry lift. Little creatures out. We trust your tour was interesting. I look forward to.
Most appropriate song for this.
Assistant of the month.
I like how they